Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to London Forex trading session. I'm going to cover Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. Let's get started. I mainly use Elliot Wave Analysis to trade and forecast the market, and if you are interested to learn Elliot Wave, check out my website. There are different ways to communicate with me and talk with me. Okay, let us take a look at some price charts and see what's going on. Okay, this is the daily time frame of euro dollar currency pair, and at this point in time it seems to me euro dollar is trying to move sideways over here. I expect sideways price action in euro USD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. 4 hours is actually trying to print some kind of a bearish triangle pattern. Let me show you this in a smaller time frame. So basically the forecast is some kind of a double or a triple zigzag is going on inside euro dollar currency pair, and euro dollar is probably going to drop to reach somewhere around this lower trend channel line over here. Okay, let's go over to a 4-hour chart again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This other Elliott wave count actually, which suggests that market might find support at 1.1682 level, but it's a low probability. But this is I would say an alternative Elliott wave count, which suggests that euro is going to rise up, but for the time being euro is just going sideways overall. So in a 1-hour time frame, this is the scenario. We got this nice bearish trend channel, and so far price action is sloping downwards. Now let's say the plan B or the alternative Elliott wave count is going to work. Well, if that is the case, we should get a bullish breakout above 1.1764 price level, somewhere over here, 1.1764 area. So if we do get a bullish breakout above this level, then I am going to reanalyze the market, and the alternative Elliott wave count is most likely going to work. Okay, next take at a 15 minutes time frame of euro dollar currency pair. So in a 15 minutes time frame, I forecasted that euro dollar is going to rise up first and then it's going to drop. This is exactly what we are getting it right now. So this is where we got the overlap in price action over here. This is also an overlap, but we need more drop in price action of euro dollar first. Okay, next let us take a look at US dollar index. The US dollar index, the overall trend is bearish. There are different Elliott wave counts that I have in my mind. The first wave count suggests that wave 5 isn't over. We did get the overlap, but this whole thing could probably turn into some kind of a wedge shape formation, a diagonal as well. Next one is the 4-hour time frame. We got a clear bullish breakout above 97.34 level, and it's even showed us a gap. So the way I see market is probably going to rise up inside US dollar index. Okay, I'm expecting bullish price action. Next one is the GBPUSD currency pair. We got the bearish candlestick close below 1.3600 level. This is a strong indication that market wants to drop in GBPUSD currency pair. As far as the Elliott wave analysis is concerned, it seems to me we got this as a 5-wave impulse pattern. It's also possible that we're getting some kind of a triangle over here. So safe to say that as long as price action is staying below 1.3716 area, it's a downtrend, and expect further weakness in price action of GBP USD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at a 30 minutes time frame. Okay, we got this bullish trend channel. Market tried to break below this trend channel, but so far not much success. These things usually break to the downside. You can notice that price action is still trying to test this lower trend channel line over here. Okay, Aussie dollar, now as of today we got this bullish candlestick over here in AUDUSD currency pair, which is trying to push the market to the upside. Now it's quite possible that we might get you know a drop in price action because the way price action is behaving, we could get some kind of a triangle scenario over here. In a 1 hour time frame, we got the bullish breakout. So 0.6542, that's the level, and price action took out. So this is telling me that we're going to reanalyze the market. Okay, this is the Fibonacci retracement level right over here. Let me increase the uh, width of these lines over here so you could easily see it. So market is probably going to reach a 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level, and then it's probably going to drop. Now let's assume we do get a bullish candlestick close even above the 100% mark over here, 0.6589 area. Then what would we do? Well, if that's going to happen, then obviously we're getting some kind of a wedge shape formation over here. Now, as far as the trading is concerned, forecasting the market is different and trading the market is different. For trading, you need a trading strategy which must define your entry, stop loss, and take profit level. So if I look at this market, a good idea is to look for a possible some kind of a sell trading chance over here. If you do not have a day trading strategy, you can just check out my website and learn it from there. So the point is, the Aussie dollar is rising up, and the forecast says it's going to drop from 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. But you don't have to just take a sell over here. Don't do that. Use a trading strategy. Next one is the NZDUSD currency pair. We got this bullish leg over here, and market is probably trying to rise back up over here. We will see how it goes. Regarding the 4 hour time frame, I was expecting this pullback inside a New Zealand dollar versus US dollar currency pair, but so far it's still a sideways price action going on. Now if we do get a breakout above 0.60 59 area over here, let's say we get a bullish breakout, something like this, then I think the ending diagonal scenario is going to work. US dollar Swiss franc, so far it's a downtrend in daily, but if you check out the 4 hour time frame, I'm still waiting for the price action to close a bullish candlestick above 0.7993 level, and if it happens, then the chances are high that price action is going to rise up even further. If you draw a support area, here's the most recent support. Price action tested it and then bounced back up from 0.7920 area. So it might try to retest it again, who knows. But it looks like to me we're getting some kind of a expanded flat pattern. This is probably wave A, B over here, and then wave C to the downside. In 1 hour time frame, this is the wave count. You can easily see what I was talking about, A, B, and C over here, and then after wave C, expect a bullish leg in US dollar, Swiss franc principle. So this is exactly what we are getting right now, and the chances are high that Swiss franc is probably going to rise up more. Next one is the spot gold. Spot gold daily time frame, obviously the trend is up. However, in 4 hour time frame, I'm expecting the price action to rise up first before we actually get some kind of a drop over here. So this looks like to me we got this bullish wave A over here, wave B, and wave C to the upside. Okay. Next one is the US dollar CAD, which is trying to go sideways. Overall, it's moving inside a trading range over here. So as long as price action is moving inside this yellow colored box, it's just a sideways price action, that's all. So it's quite possible that we could get a bull breakout over here, but for the time being, the way I see market is trying to play the trading range. It's going nowhere. It's a range bound market. US dollar yen currency pair, we are getting a beautiful bearish triangle pattern over here, which could fail as well, by the way. So if the triangle is really going to work, then we should get a drop in price action from current levels. If we don't get it, that kind of a decline, then obviously it's going to rise up further. So in daily time frame, this is the high level, 148.67, and if price action is going to hit this level, the chances are high that price action is going to rise up even further. Okay, if you check out the 1 hour time frame, this is the scenario, A, B, and C to the downside. So this is what I'm looking. Okay, that's pretty much it for today from my side, and hopefully we will do the we will check out the market again during the New York market session after 8 hours time. Okay, so that's it from my side. Have a nice day, and bye bye.